for a like or dislike, kani. Here's the sixth one. It is the love sa uyab over love for the environment. A like or a dislike?
Maybe here.
Okay. Skeptical ba ya? Nganong skeptical ka?
Here. I think maybe I would agree with it. I think for me, there is no problem as long as your boyfriend and you are both an eco warrior. You have the goal to definitely take good care with the environment. There is no problem, and I think those choices is not applicable for me. I think as a woman of the earth also that even if you have a boyfriend and that boyfriend will definitely support you when it comes in your advocacies, your dreams in life as a woman of the earth, then there would be no problem at all if you would choose your boyfriend that is also an eco warrior.